students na to. Ito ba yung mga officially enrolled na students?
One of the mission statement of National University Fairview, this university is committed to its community partners.
Ang angking galing, tumayong buong tapang harapin ang buhay.
The Utilize is the Student Volunteer Management Program run by Community Extension and NSTP Office in partnership with NU Fairview Nexus. NU Fairview Nexus will assist the Community Extension. So si Nexus gumagawa siya ng projects not just for the members but for the National University Fairview student. Nag-execute po yung volunteer support and volunteer monitoring.
I want to congratulate everyone for attending the orientation and nawa ay makita namin kayo sa mga susunod pa na events.
Utilize your potential, transform community.